Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can capture the screenshot of entire website. So if you are new to this channel, I usually bring whatever I learn to my viewers so that they are also aware about this thing. And if you are a programmer, especially if you are front-end developer, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. So here now I have opened this news.google.com, but this can be anything, the application that you have developed, the application from which you want to take inspiration. So if I have to take the screenshot of this application, so what usually the traditional method that we follow is we can use a snipping tool and then we can take the screenshot. But this is not efficient, because here whatever I see on the browser, that content I'm getting on the viewport, whatever I'm seeing, I'm getting that content. But we have a lot of information available below as well if we just scroll down. So I want this entire content. So for that, there is a quick hack that we can do is we can open our developer tool. So if you are using Windows, you can open like pressing the right click button, and then you can click on inspect, or you can do Control Shift I, and then it can open the console for you. So once the console is open, you just have to again press Control Shift P, and over here you need to search for capture. So here you will get a lot of options. So you can click on capture full site screenshot and it will download the screenshot for you. Now let's just open the screenshot and let's see if I'm getting full information. So here I'm getting the entire page, all the data which was below, that is also covered. And if I just zoom it up, then also I can see all the things in a pixel perfect format. And this is very helpful if we have to share the screenshot of our application to other people, especially the UX guy and all. So that's why it is very helpful. And there is also advanced thing that we can do. Let's suppose if I just have to take the screenshot of this container, then here from here you can select the container of which you want to take screenshot. Once that is selected, here you can click on right click, and then here you would find something called as capture notes screenshot. So this will just capture the part we have selected on the browser. And let me just open. So here I'm just getting that container. So this is very helpful for the developers if they want to share the screenshot. So instead of using this traditional method of snipping tools or print screen, this is more efficient way to capture the screenshot. So if you like this video and if you learned something new, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.